to the channel, everyone. Now headed over to the car wash. My car is absolutely filthy. The weather's been terrible, but we're getting kind of a streak of nice weather here, so I'm gonna go ahead and wash the car. You're gonna see that my ABS light's gonna turn back on. I thought it was something with the tune that I had previously, but the new tune that I'm on right now, that I technically cannot really rip on the car. I can perfectly, you know, drive it. I can drive it, you know, around town. But as far as like running it, you know, doing hard pulls, second, third, fourth, and fifth, I really can't be doing any of that. It's just, you know, a tune that I can just drive the car and enjoy it, but obviously not to its full potential. My ABS sensor is actually completely out. I actually thought the tune I had previously just completely shut off the traction control, but that sensor is actually in fact gone. So definitely should probably go ahead and get that sensor replaced, because the car technically has no ABS at all. Which I've been driving around with no ABS unknowingly for a while. So I don't know when that's going to turn on, but it will. But I did get some new mods for the car as well, that are already actually on the car, so can't wait to show you guys. I got some more things coming next week that I'm super excited to get installed. I got finally my intercoolers coming in, my old cooler. I got the tracking information for both, so those will be in at the end of next week. And I actually will get my flex fuel kit at the beginning of next week, probably like Wednesday. So get all that stuff put on. Gonna go ahead and flash the car to the new tune, which I actually already have, and then we're going to be able to start the real data log, because I'll have all of the supporting mods that I need, so we can, you know, turn that boost up and run an aggressive style tune to see exactly how much power this Greddy turbo can make. Because honestly, that's like what I'm really curious about. I'm really curious to see how much power this turbo can make, because it is tiny. There it goes. There's the ABS light. I'm really curious to see how much power this turbo can make, especially with that upgraded intercooler. I think it should be pretty decent. Pretty decent. We should be able to break 400, 100%. But if not, oh well. Gonna see how much this turbo can make before we go ahead and throw in the big turbo. But you guys can probably tell the blow-off valve's a little bit, I don't know if you guys can probably tell, but you know, just driving it around right now, the blow-off sound is like a lot louder. I don't want to spoil what, you know, what's on the car right now, but you're not gonna really, you guys aren't gonna be able to tell what's on the car right now. Well, the title, but y'all know. It sounds really good, like in car. Holy shit. I haven't really put the car to boost at all since I actually got this installed, but let me go ahead. And you can hear like the intake a lot louder now. Oh my goodness. It's crazy. Corvette. I don't know, man. What do you guys like more, Corvettes or 5.0s? Because realistically, like, I sat in a Corvette, like a C7 Stingray, and holy shit, like it felt like an upscaled BRZ in a way. Like the shifter position is literally perfect. Like it's better than this. It just felt super, super nice. I don't know. Like I'm a Mustang guy, but I'm not gonna cap, bro. Those Corvettes, man. Damn. Those Corvettes, man. It is way, way louder. Oh my god. It is so loud now. I'm gonna pop this shoe, pull up to the car wash. I'm gonna go ahead and hand wash this car, and then I'm gonna pick this vlog up after I do that. What am I kidding? I can't break these tires loose. Go ahead and pull up in here. Skirt. Alright, fellas, I'm gonna go ahead and head wash this car, and then, ooh, goddamn. Low car problems. We're gonna hand wash this car, and then I'm about to pick this vlog up. All right, welcome back to the channel, everyone. It is a new day. Had some things to do yesterday. Hope you guys had a great day. Now, as you guys can see here, there are some modifications done to the car. One major, two minor, and honestly, the major modification that was done is something that I recommend every single person doing if you guys live in a warm climate, you drive your car hard, you go to the track, or you have a boosted FRS BRZ 86. Now, we're gonna start off with the obvious. As you guys can see here, I have the Trackspec Hood Vents installed on the car. Now, honestly, these are amazing. They work so well. You can quite literally see the heat leaving the vents when you guys are driving it, even relatively hard. Now, honestly, I really haven't been driving the car hard that much because I haven't gotten the AOK yet for my tuner. So just driving it like regularly, you can see the heat leaving the car, which honestly is such a good sign. The engine temps, as far as driving now, even not really going hard on it, have been down, and they just look cool. Honestly, I know some people are uncomfortable with cutting their hood. Now, I actually got this done by Tony Motive. He has done this multiple times on BRZs, FRSs, 86s. These Trackspec vents do come with a template. They come with cutouts. So if you guys trust yourself, you guys have the right equipment, you guys can get this done relatively easy. It's probably about, I'd say, a 2.5 to 3 hour job if you guys have 2 people to do it. Now, if you guys have the right saw, honestly, I'm not really too sure on exactly what saw you need, but if you guys have a saw that can cut through things pretty easily, this job could be done no problem. Now, something else you guys are probably wondering for these Trackspec hoods is rain. Now, everything under the engine is pretty much watertight, so if it does rain and you turn the car on, you're literally going to see all like the steam evaporate very quickly, and everything's fine. I've left this outside in the rain and no problems. Obviously with the turbo, no problems. The vents are not over the intake or anything that actually would get damaged if they got a lot of water on it, so you don't have to worry about that. Now, another option you guys could go with is the Veris hood vents, but honestly, I felt like the Trackspec hood vents kind of fit my build a little bit better. And also, I kind of wasn't a fan of how they looked. I mean, they look cool, but I like these vents a little bit better. And honestly, the test showed that these actually work a little bit better because, you know, they are a little bit bigger and, you know, they extract more heat. But the various hood vents are obviously a good option if you guys would rather have, you know, the 4 cutouts, you know, in the front of the hood. Now I'm gonna go ahead and pop the hood for you guys to kind of show you what it looks like underneath. You guys can see here, it's literally just vents right over the engine. Engine bay is a little bit dirty, I gotta wash it, but it works really, really well. You guys can see here, it's just secured by rivets. You can literally see straight through the hood. But I recommend you guys to go ahead and pick up a set of Trackspec hood vents if you guys are trying to reduce your engine temps and overall just increase performance on your FRS-B or Z86. Now, some other mods I did, you guys can see up here. I now have the shark fin antenna. I don't have the RC car antenna no more, so went ahead and changed that up. And I also went ahead and put on an HIC roof spoiler. Now, honestly, this is just for looks. I don't think it really does anything. Hell, it might actually hurt the car at high speeds, but I kind of wanted to do it just, you know, think, you know, it's a good way to kind of balance out, you know, looks, performance. I just like the way it looks. Let me know what you guys think. I think it looks kind of nice with the duck bill. So, let me know what you guys think. And yeah. As far as other mods in the car, I'm thinking I'm gonna go ahead and get an Ortiz Customs gauge pod and actually run 3 gauges instead, have the air fuel ratio up here, and then use this gauge just to monitor the oil temps. Now remember, I am getting my upgraded intercooler and my oil cooler at the end of technically now this week, so I'll really be able to test out how the car performs, how the car feels, and the temps when all of those things are installed, coupled with the Trackspec hood vents. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. I want to let you guys know, you know, some new things I did to the car. As soon as I get the A-OK, I am going to, you know, obviously test out the car under more strenuous conditions, and we're gonna get some runs in, and I'm gonna finally be able to take the car to the track because I now have an oil cooler, so I can go ahead and experience that. It's gonna be my first time going to the track. Now, I have a very important question because I've heard 2 different answers, and honestly, I think this would kind of break or make my track experience. For those of you who have never been in the track, or for those of you who went to the track, do you guys recommend me going ahead and running different tires as opposed to the R888Rs? Because some people said there is a thing called too much tire, but I don't really know. Let me know what you guys think about that. What tires I should try out. Again, this is gonna be my first time tracking the car. The car's boosted. Obviously, I'm gonna run it on the lowest setting possible when I do go ahead and hit that track. So it's gonna be on the spring pressure, so like 7 PSI. It's gonna be making like 330 wheels, so not too much, but I can't wait to go ahead and, you know, have some fun with this car at the track now that I'll actually have a setup that can handle the track. Technically, I could have took it to the track already, but I didn't want to go without no cooler. So hope you guys enjoy. Like I said, it's been your boy Redline POV. Make sure you guys absolutely drop a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, and also turn on those post notifications. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video and when I get some more mods. Deuces.